Sa Manila Ocean Park naman kami. Si Sophie and Daddy. Ayan sila, ha? So, ayan na. Sa tiketan muna kami. Go, ayan na. Muna, Daddy. Ayan. So, ayan, nakapasok na kami. Ayan. Sophie, fish. Sophie, fish. Ayan, fish. Ayan ang fish. Fish, Sophie, fish.
What do you call it? Alligator doll. Alligator fish.
Ayan, fish. Wow, ang laki nila, oh. Elephant and angelfish. Wow. Ano na, Sophie? Baby. Babayagad. Babayagad dyan. Papa picture. Yeah. Picture. Ay, okay. Hi siya ng hi, no? Ha? Happy! Yan talaga gusto niyan eh. Fish! Sophie! Fish! Huwag naman. Oy, don't touch it, anak, ha? Don't touch it. No. Hold lang kay mami, nak.
Mommy, don't pull it.
No, I will not.
Mommy, I want to see.
Kuyang, tara na kuyang.
Wow. Oh, don't let go, ha? Fish ng fish. Nakakita na talaga ng fish. It's a fish yan, no, anak ko. Ayan, no, fish yan. Fee? Don't. Celine, don't let go. Ha? Selena, don't touch it, ha? Fish. Hindi makikita si Sophie. Sino? Oo, sabi nga Nemo eh. Hello. Where? Oh, seahorse! That's a seahorse! You did see a seahorse now. Seahorse. Oo. Oh, you did see a seahorse na ka?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it? Nakaharang ka dong. Isa? What's that, anak? Ano ang tawag dito, Daddy? Shell. It's a shell. Look, oh, look at them. Hello. Ay, don't do that, anak. Ba't yan? Ayun pa, anak ko. Big one, oh. Oh. Look at them. Ay, actually, this one. It's a bat. I think it's a bat. That one, oh. What's that?
I love it. Look, oh.
Oh.
I see it.
They're so
love it,
cool.
Mommy.
Yeah, you love it? Wow. Selino, it's a starfish. Starfish. You can see?
Look, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Oh, this one. Wow.
What's that?
Oh, this one, anak.
Wow.
This one. This sounds cool, too. Wow. Selino, look, the fish there. Yeah. Oh, look. Hello. Hey. Tuwang-tuwa. Ano yun?
Iselfie mo na lang, Mami.
Old mommy, come here. Celine, come here. Look ha, hagdan na yon. Okay, you're going there.
Yeah.
Oh, hold lang kay mommy na. Mawala ka. Hold lang, mommy. Oh, wait lang. Wait. Go there. Oh, it's okay. Go there muna. Wow. Celine, ha? Diyan. Paano sapi matuwa? Sapi? Minsan lang yung gano'n. Wow. Wow.
Kaya kainin.
Sabi nga ni Dan, ilabas ang pangbaga. Kainan na.
Picture.
Ito, Celine, don't go far, ha? Hala, it's a big fish. You like it? Wow! Yay! Natatakot. Daddy, hindi na nagsasalita. Celine, dito lang anak. Come here, Celine. Okay. Ayan na, papasok na. Celine, hold me lang. Living Ocean. Stingray, yeah. Hold mommy anak, hold lang. Sila muna anak, Celine. Come here muna, picture mo.
Okay lang po ba sa yung tangkay?
Ayan, sit down ka muna. Yay! Tuwan-tuwa! Hi! Celine, dyan ka lang. Dito ka lang anak. Sit down. Celine! Sige, sige.
Nasa tayo si Celine.
Okay, okay. Celine, come. Look, mami. Picture nga kayong tatlo dito. Ay, mahulog ka, Sophie. Buti malamig na dito, no? Dati mainit.
Hindi lang si tao.
Ah, ganon, siguro. Sige, sige po. Ay, fish daw, fish. You like it? You like it, Celine? Celine, don't go far. Celine, not so far, ha? Oh, there's a shark. Fish.
Ayan, may nakihawan niya.
Ayaw mo? Sige, ako na lang. Ay! Uy, malambot anak. Dali, dali, dali. Ito, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, it's so cool. You try it. Try it, try it, try it. I'm here. It's not ano naman, oh. Oh. Oh.
What is the water?
Oh, Celine, I'll touch it. It's weird. Oh, it's weird. You know? Uy, ang bait niya. Dali na, anak. Touch it. It's okay. It's okay nga. Ayan, oh, I'm here. Wow. You're touching it na. Galing. Thank you po. Go, touch it. Dali. Dali na, touch it. Okay lang.
Uy, sige na, huwag na i-touch na arte.
Mart. You don't want to touch na? Ay, maalis talaga siya. Ay, yung buntot, anak. Kaya ko yung buntot. Kaya. Ay. You wanna touch? Hala, hala, yung buntot. O, touch. Kuya, pwede hawakan? Ay, sige lang.
Hawakan mo pa?
Si Celine. Ay, ako naman. Pag-video. Ay!
Oh, sit down ka,
Oh, sit down, sit down. Oh, you touch it. You touch it, Celine. Ayun lang. Humawa ka ba? Ah. Aba si Sophie, oh. Nanakaw na si Sophie. Pi daw, Pi. Basta ko Pi. So, Celine, wait lang ha. Wait lang, anak. Okay. Celine, look, mommy. Hold, mommy. Okay, yeah. Penguin na. Yan o, penguin. Yay! Fish na. Fish pa rin. Asus, tuwan-tuwa yan eh, oh. Tuwan-tuwa siya. Ay, tuwan-tuwa. Ay, gusto sa'yo yung penguin, si anak, oh. Lilapitan siya. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Oh.
Mommy, the light.
It's a Christmas light. It's a light.
It's so fun.
It's so funny. Wow! Ay, gagawin na siguro. Wow! Ang lamig dito, sarap. Ang lamig. Oh, galing ah.
Wow, galing na. Oh, that's so true.
Ay, di ka natatakot ang bata to.
Wow! Lucas, push out to the arm. She's going down now.